Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here: which of the following options represents the next two terms in the series? So let's try to find out a pattern. So let's write alphabet and number it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So F means 6, Z means 26, I means 9, Y means 25, L means 12, X means 24. Now the pattern here is these letters are increasing by 3. So alternate letters are obtained by adding 3 to their numbers. So the next alternate letter, that is after X, we will have plus 3, which is 15. So 15th letter is O, which is correct according to the pattern. And the next after that, now these alternate letters are obtained by subtracting 1. These are obtained by subtracting 1. So next letter will be 23, which is W. And that is also correct. So next two letters will be plus 3 and minus 1. So plus 3 is 18, minus 1 is 22. So the letter will be 18th is R and 22 is V. So according to this pattern, answer is option C.